Warm good evening to all of you. We're still anticipating the monsoon showers, which hopefully will come by, and I'd like to mention that it is regrettable the conduct that the opposition has shown vis-a-vis the presidential elections, and the way they have conducted themselves and reduced the dignity of the elections. It's a sad reflection because they seem to be measuring others with their own yardsticks or the standards that they are used to. It is a pity because I wish they would focus on setting their own house in order, which they don't seem to realize what is happening. And they should be looking into Karnataka and the ensuing problems that are happening there and utilize their many talents for setting that right. The nation is watching and they must realize that they don't measure they should not measure others with their own yardsticks. Mercifully, they are watchers and keepers of democracy, those who respect what happens, and because of that, we will always restore the balance that is required. So that is what I just wanted to say. We are throwing the floor open to any questions.
क्या कांग्रेस इस बात से सहमत है? गृहमंत्री ने जैसा कहा कि पश्चिम बंगाल में ममता बनर्जी के मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद राजनीतिक मुठभेड़ कुछ ज्यादा हुई। क्या कांग्रेस गृहमंत्री के बयान से सहमत है?
जी, मैंने देखा नहीं वो जो बयान दिया गया है। मैं सीधा कहीं और से यहाँ आ रही हूँ, एंड अगर गृहमंत्री जी ने कहा है, किस कारण से कहा है, वो हम जानकारी करेंगे। चीफ नहीं, इज हेडिंग द EGOM, जहाँ दूसरा मंत्री भी बैठे रहेंगे। तो सवाल का जवाब आप लोग कैसे देंगे? उनका नाम लगातार खींचे जाता है। नाम किसी का भी खींचा जा सकता है, मगर बुनियादी बात क्या है और आपके पास सबूत क्या है, ये देखना चाहिए। वी कांट कंट्रीब्यूट टू गॉसिप। जी, एनीथिंग एल्स?
Yesterday in Bengal, after the Chidambaram's comment on state political violence, TMC ने बताया कि ये कांग्रेस और चिदम्बरम जी प्रेशर टैक्टिक्स कर रहे हैं और सीपीएम को ऑक्सीजन देने के लिए अभी ये सब बात हो रही है।
देखिए, जिन्होंने जो कहा और जिन्होंने क्या समझा, इनकी जवाब में मैं नहीं शामिल हो सकती हूँ। आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट चिदम्बरम जी सेड दैट, और इसमें कोई पॉलिटिकल कांग्रेस को जोड़ के कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं मानती हूँ। और अगर ये राजनीति में ये कहना और बोलना और सुनना होते रहता है। वन सेकेंड, या।
Madam Jayalalitha yesterday demanded that all Sri Lankan Air Force trainees should be sent back, and we heard that MOD even still considering sending them back. Is it not undue interference of state government into the state matters?
I don't want to comment on speculation unless something is categorically stated by the MOD. I don't want to enter that path.
The MOD has.
No, I am asking about the demand of Jayalalitha.
No, she is free to demand anything as a state chief minister. It is within her purview to ask for whatever she thinks is appropriate. It is a democracy.
The MOD has directed today that the 9 airmen should be sent back, and this is a day after DMK raised its unhappiness over.
DMK or AIDMK? AIDMK. Oh, they've all. So I'm not aware of that development, but I responded to this.
But just coming back to Chidambaram,
Just a moment.
डीए मामले में मायावती को सुप्रीम कोर्ट से राहत मिल गई, एक बार फिर से सीबीआई के दुरुपयोग का आरोप सरकार पे लगने लगा है, क्या कहना है
इसमें? आई कांट आंसर फॉर दैट। एक बार जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कुछ कह दिया है तो देन आई थिंक वी कैन नॉट क्वेश्चन और स्पेक्यूलेट ऑन व्हाट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज सेड। वी शुड लीव इट एट दैट।
Obviously, the
finger is pointed at Congress.
Well, that's okay. Whatever is pointed wherever, but the point of the matter is Supreme Court has said something today and we bow our head to that.
अहलुवालिया ने कहा कि अगले 5 सालों में गरीबी की रेखा नीचे लाने वालों की तादाद 10 फीसदी हो जाएगी। कौन सा ऐसी जादू छड़ी है जिससे
जादू की छड़ी अकेले में नहीं है, कई कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं जो सरकार के तरफ से और कई मिनिस्ट्रीज़ और डिपार्टमेंट के तरफ से, ताकि हमारी 7 से 8% ग्रोथ हम वापस गाड़ी को लेके आए, और जैसे ही ग्रोथ गाड़ी इस पे इन पटरी पे आ जाएगी तो अपने आप ये बनते जाएगा. लेट अस ऑल रिमेन ऑप्टिमिस्टिक बिकॉज वी नीड टू.
responding just now saying that we cannot be responding to gossip. So you don't see any substance.
Speculation.
Speculation, gossip, whatever that word you used is gossip. You believe that whatever the allegations against Mr. Chidambaram have been raised, they are against Mr. Yashwant Sinha.
They have to be substantiated. I'm sorry, I cannot contribute to this anymore. Unless accusations, it is an accusation. So unless it is substantiated, I'm not going to react to that.
रेणुका जी, ये सवाल नरेंद्र मोदी ने पूछा है कि जो अभी आपने कहा कि बहुत सारे डिसीजन लिए जा रहे हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर के द्वारा, जब से वित्त मंत्रालय का प्रभार उनके पास आया है, नरेंद्र मोदी ने पूछा है कि इससे पहले ये निर्णय क्यों नहीं लिया गया? क्या प्राइम मिनिस्टर और प्रणब मुखर्जी के बीच में कोई मतभेद था?
ये मोदी जी को उनके पार्टी में जो मतभेद हैं उस पर फोकस करने से बेहतर होगा, मेरी एडवाइस है उनके लिए.
But today you saw the Yashwant Sinha make a frontal attack on the Prime Minister, saying who stopped him from doing 20 kilometers? Who stopped him from going ahead and giving coal to private power projects?
I don't think Mr. Yashwant Sinha remembers what he did as finance minister. We'll wait till we can ask him those questions.
No, no, you have to.
प्रधानमंत्री जो है वो अंडररेटेड है.
Is it overrated economics and underrated politician?
That's his personal opinion, and I don't want to react to that. It's another matter that the whole nation holds and the whole world holds our Prime Minister in high regard. So Mr. Yashwant Sinha's opinion is his personal opinion, and he's most welcome to it. Who was beaten up, yes.
Now, Chief Minister has now said that a person brought my notice, the father has written a number of letters without getting any acknowledgement. Now they've shot hell, but there are a lot of questions being raised on India's character as a country which is safe students' destination, and why nobody really came forward to help this boy who's only 23.
You know, it's unfortunate, irrespective of whatever age the victim is. It is unfortunate and it shouldn't happen because it does collectively impact on all of us and reflect on all of us negatively. So issues, I'm glad that the Chief Minister has finally taken cognizance, and let us ensure that this young man responds well to the medical treatment and gets back on his feet. जी, ये इसके बारे में मुझे जवाब देने के पास मेरे पास कोई अधिकार और फैक्ट नहीं है, तो मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकती.
कुलदीप नैयर की किताब आई जिसमें लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के डेथ के बारे में सवाल पूछे, क्या कांग्रेस चाहेगी कि जांच हो?
देखो, अभी तक हमने किताब पढ़ा नहीं है, तो एक बार वी रीड इट देन वी कैन सी. एंड आई रिमेंबर जब लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी का डेथ हुआ, जब भी कुछ सवाल उठे थे. सो दे विल. No, I'm not aware of the full facts. Unless I examine everything in detail, I would hesitate to answer that. Right?
Team Allah's commission was cancelled, after which they said that this is one another attempt by the government because we took 15 names of so-called corrupt ministers. So what are they scared of now? Do they want to repeat?
No. Number one, we are not scared of Mr. Anna Hazare. Let's put that to rest. We are not afraid of him. This is not our job to give him permission or not give him permission as Congress party. They are concerned departments which take cognizance of what the security needs and measures and their capacities are, and they are dealing with the issue. So why should we be asked this question? As Congress party, we are not involved. Please excuse us. Right. Thank you very much.